How to set the keyboard handwriting candidate type to recognition or prediction candidates. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and then tap on General Management. After that, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings, and then we scroll down and tap on Handwriting. Next, tap on Candidate Type, and from the pop-up you have two choices. One is Recognition Candidate, and the other one is the Prediction Candidate. So select one of the available option. Then we can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.